Hi everyone, I'm teacher Benny. Welcome to this channel where you learn English and Luganda easily. And if you find this channel of great benefit to you, please feel free to send your support and love on the account numbers displayed on screen and mobile numbers, both Airtel and MTN. The numbers are displayed on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Please do share my videos such that many people can benefit. Many people have benefited and they've sent their regards on my numbers as you see in the comments. So, like, share the videos. Wosanga nga video eno ya makulu era ngekugasa, please likinga oba osobola okuweereza obuyambi bwo ne support on the account numbers eziragibwa ku screen. Okay, bye-bye. Enjoy the video.
More on trigraph. More on trigraph. A recap, remember we said a trigraph is a single sound that comes from joining three letters. Eddoboozi eriva mu kugatta ennyukuta essatu. And we further saw what trigraphs are in the previous video. So today we are going to continue and finish up trigraph. So a trigraph, for example, A, I, R. A, I, R can form words like air and hair. Air and hair. A, I, R ennyukuta zino zisobola okukola ebigambo nga omukka, enviiri. Bisobola okukola ebigambo nga omukka, enviiri. D, G, E. D, G, E. This can form words like fridge. Judge can form words like fridge, judge. So DGE has a sound of J. Zisobola okukola ebigambo nga firiigi, omulamuzi. Zisobola okukola ebigambo nga firiigi, omulamuzi mu Luganda. IGH can form words like high, sunlight. Can form words like high, sunlight. IGH esobola okuvaamu ebigambo nga ekyawaggulu, akasana, ekyawaggulu, akasana. SCH can form words like school and schedule. Can form words like school and schedule. Esobola okukola ebigambo nga essomero oba pulaani y'okukola ekintu. Esobola okukola ebigambo nga essomero oba pulaani y'okukola ekintu. So schedule is pulaani y'okukola ekintu in Luganda. THR can form words like throat and threat. Can form words like throat and threat. Esobola okukola ebigambo nga omumiro ne ekitiisa. Esobola okukola ebigambo nga omuliro, omumiro ne ekitiisa. SPR can form words like spread, spray. Can form words like spread and spray. Esobola okukola ebigambo nga okusiiga, okufuuyira. Esobola okukola ebigambo nga okusiiga, okufuuyira. EAU can form words like beautiful. EAU can form words like beautiful. Esobola okukola ebigambo nga mulungi. Esobola okukola ebigambo nga mulungi. Okay, those were trigraphs. Hope you've picked a leaf. Ndowooza oyina ky'oyizeemu. Okay, let's continue on in the next video. Bye bye. Weeraba.